So here we are, we're going to show how to recover a SIB on a bunk trailer, and just before you give it a shove out, just be careful. So before you put your boat onto the trailer or take the boat off the trailer, it's just good to make sure that the painter line is attached to the D-ring, as my friend Matt found out. So here we've now got the boat on the trailer, just gently floating it on. It is the river, there's not much of a flow, so it's a nice easy recovery. And here we're just putting on the winch. I don't like to fully winch it on because it can put a lot of pressure on the D-ring, and I have seen some tear off before, and that's a bad day when that happens. It's not a pretty sight. So once we're on, now it's time to drive out the slipway, strap up and go home. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.